in slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Damn minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
Okay, hey Pookies. Why is my computer screen always in the frame? Anyways, it is October 19th, I think, but I am still waiting on my grocery order and I'm like starving. So we're going to be trying these Korean snacks that my Korean class like TAs gave to us. So first this one. Okay, so this is just French pie, 𝒻𝓇𝒾𝑒, and then 𝒽𝓼𝑒 is strawberry, I'm pretty sure. So it's just like a little thing, and I'm gonna try and preserve the packaging as always so I can use it in my scrap journal, but where's my scissors? These guys coming in clutch. Come on. Oh wow. Okay, it is super flaky first of all. But it looks like a little pastry. Okay, that one was really good. Now we're gonna do this one, which I'm not. It's the same like brand, but I have not had this one before. It's like similar packaging to a choco pie, but oh yes. So we'll see what that is. Okay, yeah. oh yes. Let us try it. Oh wait, that's good. I was kind of expecting like a Hostess little pastry type texture, but it's a lot better than that. It is similar-ish to a choco pie. It's pretty good though. Yeah, I like this one. 10 out of 10. The other one was 7 out of 10 just because it was like a little bit flaky and kind of dry, but this one's really good. Hey, it knew I was talking about it because I just got a notification that my pickup order is ready, so now I can go get the food that I freaking paid for, and so yeah, we're gonna do that. Also, finally finished this, so I'm gonna get the film in this probably by tomorrow, because apparently I looked it up and it takes like a hot second, so yeah, but let's go do that. Okay, yes. Ooh. Hey Pookies. It's still October 19th. It's like 7 p.m. so it's darker outside. I just started a load of laundry. That's the second load of laundry because Sunday is like my reset day. So we resetting and my room is in desperate need of it. Like it's been pretty okay, but like now that I'm into midterm season, it's been crazy, especially after the like party last night. I just kind of left everything chaotic, and then I was like, okay. And then I also couldn't get to reset stuff until like 6 p.m. because I went down, got my flu shot. So yeah, get vaccinated, did that, and also got a cute little coupon at CVS. So I didn't like immediately spend it. I was like, I need to ponder what items, because it's not, unfortunately not just a nice like normal coupon. It was like $10 off of $20 purchase, so I have to spend at least 10 real dollars, which is really annoying of companies to do that. Whole point of that was I didn't want to spend money, but whatever. I've been getting a lot of reels about skincare stuff that does the same job as really expensive ones, so I'm going to be researching some of those to purchase and stuff because my skin is sensitive, so I have to check the ingredients and make sure it's not going to like anger my skin if I do that. But yeah, and then I also picked up groceries. I set aside the chicken for meal prepped and stuff, and I didn't have to cook any today because I cooked yesterday, so we got that going. Started laundry, and I got for my midterm, luckily my friend was able to help me print out this. It is like 13 pages of a study guide. It's just like notes and stuff that I can use on my midterm tomorrow, and I'm really hoping that it goes well because this is a lot. And then I also have these 2 pages of handwritten notes stuff that I just transferred from my iPad notes because professor was like, you can only have like physical notes for the midterm and stuff, like no digital ones, which is like rough, but also like I feel like writing everything out helps me. And I was gonna try and write everything out, but I looked and saw the whole study guide was like 27 pages, and I was like, girl, I can't do that. My hand would fall off, and would it even be worth it at that point? I don't think so. So we just got this. Thank goodness that friend was able to print it, and she was like, if you needed anything else in the future, like, let me know. So I got a printing girly now because I ain't not paying for printing on campus. Nuh-uh, I gotta save every cent. Hey, it's Ellie from the future, and I know I just said that I didn't ever want to pay for printing on campus, but I'm doing midterms right now in March of 2026, and I procrastinated so much that it was too late to ask my printing girly to print it, and I had to pay like 50 cents to print out 5 pages on a campus. Okay, well, was it 50 cents? I can't remember, but like, it wasn't that bad, but still money could have saved. So yes, but let me show you the chaotic state of my room right now because I really need to reset this space. Very cluttered and messy mindset. So yeah, let me show you. Random, but I applied for a videographer / video editor job kind of like an hour ago. I just finished submitting the application because I do this, but the channel isn't big enough to bring in revenue yet, but I've been doing video editing and stuff for a long time, since like high school, and specifically for this since 2023. So even though it hasn't popped off yet, I have a lot of skills. So I was like, why not do that for a job? Because I kind of want to do a not mall job or like food service job. Like I want to do a real one that I'm not like dreading going to and stuff. So yes, because girl, I need money. So yeah, cross your fingers for me on that one. Now I'll show you my messy room. I feel crazy to admit this, but here's the desk. Very chaotic. I have a bunch of my concert freebies underneath it, and then these are literally all like empty snacks. There's cold medicine because I have been fighting a cold, and I think it's been fought off sufficiently, but literally I'm usually not a messy person like this, not in my room at home, but this is like my only living space. So there's an insane amount of empty, like oh my gosh, in here too. This though, I'm going to use this for, I was like, oh, it's cute, I'm going to use it for my scrap journal, so that has a purpose. But these are the rest of the Korean snacks on the ground. There's just like tote bags and boxes and stuff here. That's kind of messy. Oh, this is the top of my dresser that needs help because I did decorate it a couple days ago, but then it just accumulated more stuff. And then yeah, there's that. I need to organize this area up here because it's not very cute looking. Down here we have yet another empty snack bag, and I set a whole can down there. This is all my like scrap journal stuff in a bag, and then that's a folder of paper. But this room's also just kind of small. So yeah, this area is okay, and this area down here is fine, and my laundry basket is empty now that except for those pants that I'm going to sell because they don't fit. But now that I have the laundry over there, dude, the trash is overflowing, and yeah, it's just like a mess. So girl, I need to reset, so let's go. I just found a spider over by my like outlet where I plug in my phone charger. Y'all will not be able to see it, but it was like down there. So I got the little cleaning spray that I bought to kill bugs and sprayed it a bunch, and it will certainly die. But anyways, I was gonna try and smush it before, but it crawled behind that dresser, which just makes me worried that there's like more back there. I'm not even gonna try and move the dresser because it's not mine, and I don't want to find them because it's not really my responsibility, but I also don't want to live with them. Anyways, it's a tricky situation, and maybe I should talk to like the landlord about it, but I hate bugs in my space. Like, they're fine if they're outside, but buddy, you're not paying rent, so I'm on edge. Cool. Okay, I cleared off top of this like off camera because I got kind of on edge after the spider, but I'm chill now. I still have this out here because I just think it's cute and I love this album by TXT so much. Plus, I think I can put some more decor on top of this little area when I fix it, which I think will be next. So yeah, there's also some stuff here that I need to move, but I think when I got this area clean I can adjust this. So yeah, we're making progress. This is how it looks. It's kind of cute. It's a little bit maximalist, but then again so is my whole room. So yeah, literally maximalism. I put my new Stray Kids album up there. So yeah, even though today they just announced a new one, I was like, guys, come on, please. There's that over there. I'm also gonna put my cute little copy of Fourth Wing up here because it's really pretty. It has these like dragons right here, and yeah, someone gave it to me as a gift, so I can't wait to read that. Also, I want to put more things up here, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet, so okay, y'all, it's like midnight on the 16th or 19th. Sorry for the Genshin music in the background. My iPad is like right there because I'm trying to do my dailies now that I'm trying to like get back on it. But my hair's all like nice, freshly washed and whatever. I have been trying to do like, I bought these curlers from Daiso that are like the little Velcro ones, but I swear every time I use them they don't like to come out. Like, I literally have to like pull them out of my hair and it just does more harm to my hair than actually curling them. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if there's just something wrong with them, but I was like, why are, like, I've tried it several times being like, oh, maybe it's just, you know, but literally I have to like pull it out of my hair. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Anyways, I tried to like do some duck clip stuff to get them to curl with more volume because, oh, that looks so funny. But and they're also just long, but I'm like really wanting to style my hair. I'm kind of tired of it being like flat all the time. So, and there's like no denial that it will ever not be straight because it is so freaking straight. I'm gonna try different like heatless curl methods because that's what works best, is like letting it dry like that overnight. Anyways, my midterm is tomorrow. I put the study guide in my backpack already because I'm gonna look over it in the morning, but I did a little bit of studying, but at this point I'm just kind of like, you know, like professor said it would be not too hard, so hopefully that's the case. Also, I'm like breaking out a little bit, which is annoying because I've been trying to do like my skin routine super on track, so I'm not sure why that's happening, but whatever. My like Instagram feed is catching on to the fact that I've been researching it a lot, so I'm getting more products recommended, and this way I can like go through the ingredients to see if something actually works, because I feel like I've been passively just using the skincare that I do have for years and not thinking that it could get better, and I really want it to get better. So it doesn't look that bad like right now, but sometimes it gets really like freaking annoying, and I am tired of having acne and breakouts and stuff. Like, I'm sure, I mean, I know you can't prevent it like forever, but I'm just having a lot more like acne and stuff than people my age, at least my friends and stuff, and everyone's skin is unique, but it's like been this way consistently since I was a teenager, and I kind of want to like be done with it. So Accutane is not like my like #1 thing. Like, I want to try a lot of things before I get there, but at some point if I need to, like, I just want to be done. I'm tired. Anyways, I just watched the new music video from TXT for the like Can't Stop. It's so good, so good. The bomb part. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now because literally I have a midterm tomorrow. But yeah, stay hydrated. I will see you tomorrow for the midterm. Just finished my midterm. I think I did really well, so yeah, winner. Hopefully I'll let you guys know when I get the test grade, but I was a little bit in a rush this morning, so my makeup is like, yeah, we did it and it's over, and now I have to go perform for the performance class that I'm in, so yeah.
First